Today, we're setting up camp right by the river mouth. Pure wilderness adventure.
Searching for the perfect spot with the breeze and river sounds. Time to unpack and get settled. Pitching our tent with the river wind keeping us cool.
Gathering driftwood and sticks for tonight's fire.
Starting our fire with the river singing in the background.
Cooking a riverside meal to share.
Boiling fresh water, almost time for coffee.
Pouring the best forest coffee you can imagine.
Ending the day by the river mouth, coffee in hand, and hearts full.
Winding down with a campfire after a perfect meal. Stargazing under a wilderness sky, nothing better. Morning coffee by the river before a new day of adventure.